Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat had sleek black fur and big green eyes that sparkled when he was thinking. Right now, he was thinking very hard about the computer mouse. It sat on a colorful desk next to a big fluffy dog named Blue. Blue had soft brown fur and floppy ears. He loved to play and especially loved to chew. Blue meowed Whiskers gently, tapping the mouse with his paw. Tap, tap. This is how you click. The mouse made a tiny clicking sound. Blue wagged his tail. He nudged the mouse with his nose. No, Blue, Whiskers purred, pulling the mouse away from Blue's mouth with his paw. Not for chewing, for clicking. He placed his paw on top again and wiggled it gently. The little arrow on the computer screen moved. See, this is scrolling. Blue watched the arrow move with big, curious eyes. He sat down and tried to copy Whiskers, pushing the mouse with his paw. It slid across the desk. Whiskers giggled, a soft, rumbling sound. Almost, Blue, gently. He put his paw over Blue's big paw, and together they pressed the button. Click. On the screen, a picture of a yummy-looking bone popped up. Blue's tail wagged so hard his whole body wiggled. Whiskers purred happily. They looked at each other, two good friends learning something new together. It showed that even a cat and a dog could work together and learn new things if they were patient and kind to each other.
Please subscribe. Thank you.